are all Bars comics. This is one comic. It is called Inspiration or the Robbers. This is another one called Second Face. This is another one. It's called Crazy Robbers. This is another one. It's called Crazy Robbers 2. This guy's robbing a 7-Eleven. And he robbed the store manager for some reason. And those are all God's comics. There's some more. This is one of God's characters. It's called Mike the Bomb. And here we have all the God Studios, and there's a famous thing. And make sure. And God's comics are a very basic thing. There's comics you can make at home. This is how you make one of God's comics. First, you all understood. If you made a comic that would be valuable, that no one else could make, it would be more valuable for other people. So what they did is basically make a graphic anyway. So first, you'll need to write something. So here I'm gonna make a gun comic like Crazy Robbers. Gonna make a comic. So basically you start making it, and that, and you can start making that. So Crazy Robbers by first drawing stuff.